This is your daily glimpse of science. Before we get into our video, please scroll down and click the like button. If you want to see more of our content, please subscribe. Hello, beautiful. You always look so fiery.
You realize that you're being burned, right?
Do you know that people have given us a romantic name? They call us Natech, short for Natural Hazard-Induced Technological Disaster.
You don't know what it means, do you? Have you heard of the intense wildfire raging through communities in the California Santa Cruz mountains in August, which was started by a dry lightning storm? The chemical benzene, a known carcinogen, was probably released by melted plastic pipes during the wildfire and somehow found its way into the residents' water supply. These type of events are called Natech.
Knowing the definition does not change my love for you, beautiful. Originally, the term applied only to industrial incidences such as chemical or fuel spills that happen after natural disasters. Now, Natech means any disaster arising from damage caused by natural hazards to infrastructure involved technology. Our love is so popular now.
Are you delusional? There's no love between us, only disasters. Natech disaster could cause crises like the 2011 Fukushima nuclear reactor disaster in Japan, caused by a magnitude 9 earthquake and following tsunami.
I know the frequencies of Natech have been increasing around the world. Since most of our infrastructure are built to support the growing population, more natural disasters due to climate change are colliding with those infrastructures very often. But that means that I get a chance to see you more often.
You're just crazy. Although the short-term consequences of Natech typically involve only the environment, the ripple effects are actually reaching much further than we could imagine.
Your love keeps burning hotter and hotter.
I just cannot burn you fast enough.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.